Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. Every year 4, 4, 6, 6, 8, 8, 10, 10, 12, 12, and the last day of February always fall on the same day of the week. These dates are known as doomsdays. Ways to decrease inflammation. We form our deepest musical memories around age 14. The average male spends 43 minutes a day staring at 10 different women. 3 men has survived 11 days journey over the rudder of an oil tanker in the ocean. Direct-to-consumer DNA test revealed that approximately 1% to 5% of individuals discover their presumed biological parent is not their actual parent. Due to decreased air pressure on airplane cabins, you are more prone to fart on an airplane. This is a melanistic fox, one of the most beautiful and rarest in the world. Avoiding something does not mean you don't want it. Sometimes it means that you do want it, but you know it is not right for you. Singapore has the world's highest percentage of millionaires, with 1 out of every 6 households having at least $1 million in disposable wealth. Don't be sad if a person prefers another person over you, because you cannot convince a monkey that honey is sweeter than the banana. Electric car sales fall down by record 27.4% in Germany in 2024. Some monks can increase their body temperature so much they can dry soaking sheets in a freezing room. Ripe papaya is safe during pregnancy. Unripe papaya is unsafe and should be avoided. In 30 minutes, the average body gives off enough heat combined to bring a half gallon of water to boil. The higher you climb, the less you tend to care. Power has a way of diminishing empathy and emotional connection. The average IQ is 100, while 140 is the beginning of genius IQ. This is how the eyes of a blind cat looks like. The raccoon dog is a wild animal in East Asia which looks like a raccoon but is actually a dog. Scientists in China have built a prototype high-speed maglev train that is theoretically capable of reaching speeds of up to 1,800 meters per hour. Lentil as anything, a successful Australian restaurant allows its customers to pay whatever price they feel like paying for the food. In Sweden, it's illegal to leave a dog alone for more than 6 hours. This law ensures that dogs receive proper care, and many owners use doggy daycare services if they work long hours. Russian cosmonauts spent a total of 803 days, 9 hours and 39 minutes in space due to time dilation effects at orbital speeds. He effectively time traveled approximately 0.02 seconds into the future. I think it is possible for ordinary people to choose to be extraordinary. Elon Musk. Several African countries don't like second-hand clothes being imported to their countries because it is destroying their local textile industry. If you get up in the morning and think the future is going to be better, it is a bright day, otherwise it's not. Elon Musk. This is an authentic Japanese samurai in full armor with a sword, 1867. According to a study, wishing someone luck makes them do better. People who walk fast tend to be less happy in their life. You can own a residence on a cruise ship with an annual fee covering all traditional cruise amenities. During the Cold War, when Navy divers repairing a whale enclosure heard a human like voice saying out, 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 and got out of the water to see nobody, they found out that a beluga whale named Nock had learned to mimic human speech and was trying to communicate with them. Washing your hair too often can make it dry. By removing natural oils, it's best way to wash your hair 2 to 3 times a week to keep it healthy, shiny and soft. Less washing helps protect your hair. In the 2002 film 28 Days Later, director Danny achieved the empty London scenes by filming at dawn and briefly halting pedestrian and vehicle traffic as the modest $8 million budget could not accommodate extensive city shutdowns. Rome is located on 7 hills collectively, which are Capitoline Hill, the Esquiline Hill, the Aventine Hill, the Quirinal Hill, the Viminal Hill, and the Aventine Hill. Over the past 2 decades, the number of Americans with no close friends has risen from 3% in 1991 to 12% in 2021. That's at least 1 out of every 10 Americans. The number of people with 10 or more close friends has just declined from 33% to 13%. Galileo. Early life and family. Education. Contributions to physics. Telescope invention. Legacy. Thanks for watching.